To learn how to make this cute little top, keep watching. You don't need to have any experience on sewing at all. Just keep watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button to get more of this content like this. Thank you
guys. So let's make a simple cowl neck top without any basic measurements. So for this project, you'll be needing a leftover fabric, or you can actually just get a whole new fabric. But if you have leftover fabrics, this is the project you want to be doing. And one thing about it is that you can start selling it at, you know, chicken change, and you can make a business of it yourself. So it's not further ado, let's start this project. So I'll be needing my fabric. This is a leftover fabric, as my scissors, my tape rule. Not really necessary, but in case you have it, you can as well use it. So I will start off by, you know, trying to get the kind of measurement I need for this project work. So I'll just kind of wrap it around my body, like where I feel it has enough coverage. See, you can see my boots is not showing. You can check the other side. Wherever I feel like, oh, this coverage is enough, that's where I'm going to stop. So I'll kind of take note of it. Then okay, it's around here. Can you see? Can you see, guys? So after getting that part, you would go ahead to like check the net you want. So yes, I'll go ahead like this, and I just want something, not, I want it a little bit croppy, but not too much croppy, you get. So it's gonna be like around here. I don't know if you can see me around here. So yes, I'm going to like notch that measurement, then go ahead to cut it out. Guys, that's going to be all for the cutting. Don't forget to notch the place you felt comfortable around your breast. Don't forget. So I'm going to cut this side out too. So I'm just going to go and cut it off camera, because it's actually not easy standing and cutting it. But this is it. After you take note of the distance from one bust to the other, where it's comfortable, just go ahead and make the notch and cut it out, and the length that you think you might need for this project, and that is all. Guys, this is after I have cut it out. Let me take it over again so you understand. Just make a measurement you are comfortable with. It should be enough for it to cover your breast part. You can see it's covering this side. If I wear it, it's not going to show my breast. And this other side, just do it something that is comfortable. Yours don't have to be this, you know, wide. As long as it covers your breast and you're comfortable with it, like your side breast does not have to show. So just make that measurement. Just put it around your body. But for measuring sake, some of you might still not understand. So let me just like measure the measurement that I have here. But it's really not any basic measurement. You don't need any measurements. This is 26. Okay, this is 26. You can make yours 24, 25. Just something that you it's going to cover. When you put it around your body, you see that, oh, it's when you wear it's going to cover your side bust. It's going to cover both side bust, and that's going to be whole. So the next thing I'm going to do is make a hole in this in the four corners. You know, it's four corners right now. We have 1, we have 2, we have 3, and we have 4. I would go and make a hole using my highlight machine and get back to you, and that's going to be all for this video. Do you get? So you've gotten your cowl neck top.
You know, we made four O's to the 4 corners. So on top of one of the O's, how you make a secured tie with a very long strand. On the second part too, you do the same thing. Then for the back, what you would just do is, for the down part, you won't make any secure notch. You just crisscross it like that. You understand it when I wear it, but this is how it's gonna be at the back. You crisscross this one to this side, you crisscross this one to that side. I hope you get. So let me wear it for you so you understand what I'm saying. I hope you all understand me. I'm using color purple rope because that's the only available rope I have for now. But if you want to sell it or do, you know, use it for something very nice, maybe go out on a date with it, please use maybe color black or white or something that actually goes well with it, not purple, please. So guys, this is all, as you can see. So I just wanted to say something. In case you don't have an highlight machine, it doesn't have to be serious. Just punch a hole. Just use your scissors to make small hole, not too big, not too small. Something that can pass through the channel you want to use, and that's going to be all. You don't actually need too much. And guys, this is it. I am actually loving this, loving it. This is it with the jeans. I know you can't see it completely, but that's it. Then let me show you guys the back. So guys, this is the back.